Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time, but let's get right to it. So today I did a natural bead. It was more like a sunset type of look, but right now, as you can see, I'm filling in the brows. I'm using a brow pencil from the hair store. I don't know the name, but basically her brows is already like kind of full, so I went ahead and just went over them and basically filled in the spots that, you know, were thin. It's my voiceover. I haven't been on YouTube in 2 years, so bear with me. So right now I'm just using a pencil brush and I'm just brushing out her hairs. We being goofy. I don't know what we was laughing at, but we was just being goofy. So yeah, I'm just filling in the fronts lightly, not doing them too dark. And then I'm gonna go ahead and conceal them. I don't know the name of this. Was her concealer. It was the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. I used 2 different concealers. One of the concealers is like a hair store brand. I would probably have to link that at the bottom, but yeah, I used 2 concealers, mixed them together, and I'm just basically cleaning up under her brows. So I'm still cleaning them up. I'm taking basically like a foundation brush, and I'm just pushing the concealer into her skin, just making sure that everything is even. I love doing this method. I'm just basically pressing it into her skin and then bringing the concealer down. So yeah, I'm gonna be letting y'all know what I'm doing, but at the same time it's more self-explanatory, so you guys will just be seeing. But yeah, I'm just basically just making sure her base is gonna be more basically like more flat and more smooth, so when I lay down the eyeshadows it'll go on smoothly. So I'm just filling in a little bit of her brows with a colourpop pencil, and then right now I use the Anastasio base, and I like it. I mean, I used it on me. This was my first time using it on somebody else, so I really did like it. It's a travel kind, so I think I got like a sample version. I might buy the big version, the full size, but I do like it. It's a base, so it's like eye primer. So yeah, it does really good with the eyeshadows. I used on her eyes, I used Julia Place palettes, and I'll link the 2 palettes that I used. It's going to cut off on the eyeshadow because my camera stopped recording, so y'all just see after the eyeshadow look. But yeah, okay, so as you can see, I already did her eyeshadow. I'm doing in her liner. I use Wet n Wild, well, not Wet n Wild, sorry, NYX eyeliner, liquid eyeliner. I'm using foundation. I use the Mazzani Nutmeg, her foundation color, and I'm using a Real Techniques Insta Pop Brush to basically press the foundation into her skin. Y'all gonna see like basically the camera, my phone stopped recording, so the angle is a little different than what you guys just seen before, so that's why it kind of looks a little different how she's sitting, because how my ring light was posted, it was crazy, but I got it done. So yeah, I'm just basically using that foundation to basically you know, go over any spots or anything like that. And I already had applied lashes. They're just like some regular lashes from the hair store, but it looked good with this look, because like I said, it's a soft natural look. It's really not like a glam dramatic, so I think the lashes was okay for this look. Alright, so now I'm just taking a little bit of her foundation and I'm just cleaning at the top of her brows. Just making sure that they look more sharp. So, yeah. You just make them look more defined when you do it this way. And I'm just blending it out with the foundation brush. So, yeah. And I'm just doing the same for the other brow. So, yeah. All right, y'all. So this one we were concealing under her eyes. So I was highlighting and I used the same concealer that I used to clean up her brows. This one kind of went a little fast because her eyes was watering really, really bad. So we had to hurry up. So I'm setting her face with spun translucent powder where I went ahead and highlighted. I really like this powder. It doesn't leave flashback. You can use it on any skin tone. And you can get it from Walmart and it's $4. So that's a plug. So right now I'm contouring her cheeks and her forehead. I'm using the Too Faced palette. It's called Chisel Like a Diamond. I really love this palette. I use the darkest color for her contour, and it just basically brought definition back to her face, because you know when you put powder and foundation on, it kind of takes the definition away and makes you look more ghosty. So I was bringing some warmth back to her skin, just because, you know, with the powder, foundation, highlight, it kind of took everything away. So this is actually my favorite part. And the brush that I'm using is an Anastasio brush. I think it's the A20. So yeah, I'm using a Wet n Wild brush and I'm using that same contour palette, and I'm contouring her nose. So I go all the way up to her eyeshadow, to her brow bone, and I just basically just shape the nose. Excuse me, y'all. It's really late at night. I'm recording this. So yeah, I took some eyeshadow from the palette. I used the Juvia's Place Warrior palette, and I'm basically just putting eyeshadow at the bottom, bringing some color back. She hated this part. She waters so bad, so I didn't tight line with her at all by doing like eyeliner, because she would have watered so bad. So I'm basically just blending it out. I did do her mascara at the bottom, but I didn't show that. I'm using a Wet n Wild highlighter. I don't know the name, but I will link it in the description box. I love this highlighter. It's inexpensive. I think it's like $4 at Walmart. It's really good. That was her favorite part. She loves the highlights, so we went all in. Now I'm doing the lips. So what we did is we went ahead and went with a nude. I'm going to go ahead and outline her lips with a colourpop. I think the colourpop pencil that I used was BFF 3 or 2. So it's like a chocolate liner. It's my favorite liner. It's my go-to. And before I did her lip liner, I just basically just brushed off and made sure her lips was dry, because I wiped her lips off with some baby wipes. So I'm just filling in her lips with the brown liner and just tracing over her lips. And then I went ahead and used the Anastasio liquid lipstick in Naked. Fire. If you don't got it, you need to get it. It's the best nude. And it blends so well. I had got some liner on her lips, y'all. So I basically put the liquid lipstick on it, and I blended it out with Wet n Wild brush. Basically blended it in like an ombre. And then I'm going to go on top of it with a gloss. And the gloss that I use is like a regular hair store gloss. And that was the end of the look after that. Like, it's so cute. We took some videos because the lighting in this video is kind of not the best, but it worked. So I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. There'll be more to come with me doing tutorials on other people, not myself. I'm pregnant right now. I look big. It's too much. So I'd rather do clients and record the videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys have a great day and stay safe. Wait till we step out. Girl, cause what? It's so slow. Making love to the beat, girl, it sounds so slow. I'm in fuck with a G, girl, you already know. I got 100 on me for the night, shawty, don't you leave.